Good morning, my name is Brian Johnson. I would like to introduce you to the methods of bridge on 3MW thread on the Forex factory. We are using 0 for entering the hedge. We have many selections of hedges. The one I prefer to use is simply the hedge based on, and we'll have to open one thing. Hopefully we can do this on here. I didn't think. Okay. When these two figures become the same, the profit on the entry and the profit on the reverse entry is basically how you enter a trade. Example, if the Euro US dollar was profit in here was exactly the same, what we would do is enter the Euro US dollar, but we're looking at hedges, so you can use the pips, but I find the profit is more accurate. So when that profit equals the same together as shown here, that profit is the hedge profit of all the currencies there. When that goes into profit, we enter the hedge. Okay, updating the hedge is simply a matter of clicking on Brian to Excel and making sure that before you do anything, those four are in the correct zone. We're having problems because it's updating, but we'll do it again. And there the four are exported, and if we look in the hedge, this needs updating. And you can see if it's not updated correctly, you will have an incorrect reading here. And we haven't done it properly. Damn it. But we're doing it, so away we go. Let's hope we update it correctly. This is generated through a script file which puts the information into another file. But really we want to show you how to do this and the importance of entering the hedge when it's at 0 possibilities. So we're just re-updating, and you can see that there is no change, and we don't want to get out of that. We want to just go into the demo trades and look at the profit loss in these two columns here. Okay, when these two go into the exact position of the same balance of these two, it's time to enter the hedge. Okay, we're going to look at first, when you put it on, you have to put it on into so slow. You have to take your broker. That broker has to go on first, and you have to put it in and just copy and paste it and rename it exactly as this there. The other thing you have to do is make sure all your through Excel, you have to make sure that all your Excel options from your trust center the macro settings should be enabled all, the activate sections enabled all for this to run. Okay, then we go straight away. We've got our basic Excel sheet. We know our 101 sheet, we can refer to that. Well, but it's also on this sheet. I don't want to go too deep into that at this time. And we're looking at the hedge, which was the sell in these particular cases, and the buys on here. And you can see the current buy group in these two zones are just gone, it's gone negative, so the trend has changed. It ranges between negative and positive, as you've seen in the screen snapshots. We could have taken a full profit. Remember, when the 0 point is, it's time to take profit, and there were the two currencies that we hedged very close together, so that when both of them go into the bottom, into these bottom pit here, you can take profit at any time. This account, I have not taken any profit. I'm running it just to show you the basic system, and you can see here the fluctuations, and it goes down, and when it hits 0, it's so fast that the profit can change or go to the opposite. This is showing you the benefits of installing the hedge and the currencies at a 0 ground. You can do this very easy using an Excel. The Excel list indicators are posted in Brian's program. I've pointed out a few things. I've shown you here how to run the World of Brian Excel, and my thanks and gratitude go to all of my members on the Skype group: Russell, Dave, Catalina, etc., etc., and especially going to Pixie. Thank you very much, you guys, for your help. By sharing and giving, we gain 100% more. 1,000% more. By sharing and giving, we gain 1,000% more. Here you are in a program where we have the possibility of taking 2 quick profits, re-entering these once they get back on to the Euro US dollar, and we'll go to the Excel spreadsheet and look at the Euro US dollar, the profit there. See them there? When it gets to 0, you re-enter. If that's the currency you choose, you have plenty of systems here. In the Excel sheet, you have this is demo trade. If you want to look at the charts, certainly you can. They're all there for you. If you want to use the signals, and this gives you the exact point of his is 101's is buys against sells, and it also gives you the different pips away from the Friday's close. So you have plenty of options there. You have the basket, the position of the pips in the baskets, and the current rates of go long, go short on different groups of currencies. Also in the signal trade, you have the bottom lines of the cores, the 3 amigos, 3 ones, etc., etc., plus all the indicators you want to use. Okay, but we're using the plain hedge indicator for trading, and we're using the current trading a one single currency. But as I said, if this bottom line went into, say, 150, you could take the whole lot off by liquidating all. This is just giving you an added feature. This could be Australian dollar, currency, blah, 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 gold, silver, whatever you want. You see they're locked together, and the difference between them two is about 1.5 in profit. So at all times, your profit loss is, your drawdown is fixed. You only take it when these two go into total profit. The profit guide can be when this is hit 0, this is maximum profit. And there you are. Bye for now from Brian. I hope this helps in the lesson 1 of John's 3MW hedge trading, basic hedge trading. Bye for now from Brian.